The amazing drama you're about to see is a matter of human record. You may believe it or not.
Today's question: is it worth my money? Let's find out. We've been screwing around with the sets for 6 months straight. No complaints or epic failures so far. Let's eyeball the sets. You got 10 bad boys in SAE. Same amount for metric. A single 1/4-inch adapter for impact drivers, and a single extension bar. And just a side note, the ratchet for this set is smaller than the one you get for the 1/2-inch package. It's time to hit it hard with the 1/2-inch assortment. Pretty much the same recipe with our previous set. A bigger ratchet, 10 times SAE and 10 times metric, 1/4-inch adapter for the smaller impact drivers, extension bar,